Hey everybody, it's Jake from Nimbus DevOps, and I'm going to be doing a little bit of an update on where I'm at with my Kubernetes journey. So I just finished part one and part two of the Kubernetes documentary on Honeypot. I put these links in a previous video. Feel free to check them out, but I'm definitely ready to go and get this journey started. I also went on Amazon since they're doing a bunch of crazy deals right now for Christmas and ordered myself a Kubernetes hoodie and a hat and a couple shirts so that when I'm get up in the morning, I can kind of get dressed and kind of start my day going, this is it. This is my purpose today. This is what I'm going to do. And it kind of get me in that mood to be like, yes, I'm part of the Kubernetes community and we're going to just power through this. Super motivating. So I've been doing some stuff with Amazon, but I wanted to switch it up and to a complete 180 because I've been working with Amazon every day for years. And I used to work in GCP a lot, almost exclusively, and my chops have just really diminished. So I'm going to start building these back up. So I went to k8s website and I just started reading through it and going through the features and how it works and some common uses and things like that. So I was going to take some time and read through this documentation. And what I really learned was that I probably need to go back and start looking at some certificates and certifications. So there's some certifications available from Google. My goal is to kind of head toward the DevOps certification. Bottom line is I'm going to be doing Kubernetes stuff in GCP to get started, and that's where it'll be hosted. On the front end, it'll mostly be kube control commands. So and I'll be working almost exclusively out of VS Code. But to get started, what we're going to do is we're going to do click ops. I'm going to go through the UI and I'm going to try to click and make the stuff that I need to make. And then from there, I'll know what the prerequisites are. And then I can go back from an API perspective and write the code that I need in Terraform and know what kind of resources need to exist inside of my project in order for me to provision what I need from a cluster perspective, access that cluster, and then manage it from the command line or however I want to do that. So to summarize, I got two things I need to do. I need to study GCP and I need to get my Kubernetes cluster up and running so I can start doing that at the same time. So the next step on my list, as you can see here, I'll zoom in a little bit so you can see it a little bit better, is to go watch Tech World with Nana and go through all these YouTube videos. So I'll probably put these YouTube videos on and kind of listen to these on one screen and be reading through some GCP documentation on the other screen, and just kind of wing it with the Google Cloud because I'm pretty sure because I'm very comfortable with AWS, I'll just kind of figure the Google stuff out along the way. Let me know if you have any recommendations. I'm happy to go check out other resources, things you think might help me along the way. But yeah, my name's Jake, and I suck at Kubernetes.